Hello Year 4, it's Miss Martin here, and we're going to do our times tables for today. Okay, so for today we're going to go back on doing it on our counting stick. Okay, shout out your screen. What times table are we doing? Yes, it is the 8 times table. Sorry, part of my counting stick's just fallen off, so I'm just putting it back on. Okay, so we're doing the 8 times table. And remember, our counting stick is a little bit different today because it's not got the answers on it. Instead, we've got the calculations. Okay, so we're carrying on with our calculations on the number line where we're going to be saying our calculations and our answers. Okay, what we're going to do first, and I'll do this with you, is we're going to count up and down our number line. Okay, where we're going to be saying the calculation and the answer, remember. Okay, remember, no faster than my finger. Okay, 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. I started saying the answer first. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. Brilliant. If I carried on going on my number line, what would come next? So I've got 80. What would come after 80? Shout it out. Yes, it would be 88. How many 8s is 88? It is 11. 11 times 8 is 88. What if I carried on going? What would come next? And it would be, shout it out for me, 96. Okay, 12 times 8 is 96. That would be right at the end. What about here? What would be here on my number line? Shout it out, remember? 0. It would be, because 0 times 8 is 0. Well done. Right, now we're going to count back down again. We're saying the calculation and the answer. I will do it with you to start with, okay? So we've got 10 times 8 is 80. 9 times 8 is 72. 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 8 is 56. 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 8 is 8. Well done. And then shout out, what will go here? 0. Brilliant. If I carried on going on my number line going down, what would come after 0? Shout it out for me. Yes, it'll be -8. Okay, it'll go -8. It starts going to the minus numbers after 0. Right. We now are going to start taking away some of the numbers on my number line. So I think we can remove that calculation. I think we can get rid of this one. And the last one, I'm going to get rid of this calculation. So we're going to have a go with doing it without those calculations. Okay? What we're going to do is say the calculation and the answer as well, but I'm not going to say the ones that are missing. Okay? You've got to say the ones that are missing when my finger gets there, but I'm not going to say them with you this time. Okay? So we've got 1 times 8 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. Why am I saying 6? 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. Well done. Okay, did really well, and we're going to do exactly the same but going back down. Okay, so starting from here again. 9 times 8 is 72. 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 8 is 56. 6 times 8 is, yep, well done, 48. 7 times 8 is 32. 7 times 8, what am I saying? 4 times 8, sorry, is 32. Oh, 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 8 is 8. Think here. 0 times 8 is 0. Well done. Okay, we're going to do same again. Okay, but this time I'm not going to say the answers. I'll read the calculations that are shown, but I'm not going to say the answers. But you've got to shout them out of your screen for me. Okay, so 1 times 8 is 3 times 8 is 4 times 8 is 6 times 8 is 7 times 8 is 8 times 8 is 9 times 8 is. Well done. Hopefully we got to 10 times 8 is 80. Hope we all got that at the same time. Okay, we're going to do the same, but going back down our number line, okay? Might do it a little bit slower because it's harder remembering the numbers backwards, okay? So, starting from here. 9 times 8 is 8 times 8 is 7 times 8 is 6 times 8 is 4 times 8 is 3 times 8 is 1 times 8 is. I'm going to do this one here. 0 times 8 is. Brilliant. Okay, hope we all got to 0 at the same time. Okay, well done for today. We're going to leave it there with our counting stick. Of course, if you want to keep practicing, you can take the video back, okay, and you can keep going up and down the number line practicing bits. If you really want as well, you could write it out at home and then start taking away some of them. Okay, well done for today, and I'll see you for our next times table video. Bye, Year 4.